Before the Ghana Library Authority renovated this library, we had quite a lot of obsolete books that the students didn't find interesting reading. But after it was renovated, we were given modern books from their core subjects to elective subjects. So there are books for all elective subjects for students to read and core subjects. We were also given quite a substantial number of novels for students to read and improve upon their language. As a result, the library is now an interesting area for the students to visit. They are always eager to come in. So apart from the books being given, the library has been equipped with 6 desktop computers, a photocopier, a scanner, and a printer to go with. So electronically, the library is equipped. Fortunately, the school has also now got a Wi-Fi being done by Ministry of Education. So the library is now well equipped. The school library is now a very good, interesting area for the student, especially the way it is painted. It looks attractive.